Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox a quadcopter. After watching this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icons for the further notifications. Let's see what are the specifications of this quadcopter. Okay, it has an automatic return at free mode and is 360-degree rotation, 2.4 GHz, as well as 6-axis gyroscope and a USB charger. Okay, the brand is JY-X5. It's a Chinese company. This is a 4-channel quadcopter. The box good, very good. Okay, at the bottom the legal informations are printed. This quadcopter is made in China. This quadcopter does not have camera. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, by the first impression the drone looks very good. It feels very lighter, as well as the finishing of the drone was very good. The wings were flexible, nice. Okay, it has a removable battery. Okay, the power of battery is 380 megahertz and also have a output of 3.7 volts. Okay, let's see the remote control and other accessories of the drone. Remote control accessories, two spare and screwdrivers. The blades are very nice. Only two only given. Screwdriver as well as stand also given. Charger, but it is does not a USB charger. It's a normal Arduino board type charger. Okay. 6-axis gyro 2.4 GHz remote control. The buttons were very smooth and it has so many buttons. I think they are for return key, headless mode and 3D version. Okay, removable batteries. Okay, let's hands on the drone. You should be very careful while attaching the battery. Okay, it also have the LED lights, two red lights and the blue lights. Okay, let's move on to the test flight of this quadcopter. Before that, we are going to test the light. Let's see how the quadcopter flies. Nice takeoff. Oh, 360 flip.
Zoom பண்ணவா?
The drone is very easy to control. It is fully under my control. Okay, let's see how far the drone flies. Wow, it goes very high, but even though it is under my control only. Thanks for watching this video. Until then, Surya Iris. Bye. See you on next video.